Ikruok mara tuke Olympics higa mar 2024 osechako mako mach ka riwruok matayo tukegi pacho kae nok nochiwo sir ne jotugo mago kapu matugo jotugo adek koni gi koni kaachiel gi tim mar volleyball. National Olympics Committee kaachiel gi International Olympics Committee nochiwo sir ne jotugo mago kapu mabiro timo ikruok margi e pinje maoko ka gigeto bedo kod tuke maber higa mar 2024. Tim Kenya bende timo ikruok mar tuke pinje Afrika machakore dwe manyien ka singo mar jotugo kaachiel gi kocha margi en mar ting'o nying Kenya malo kendo kelo okombe mar pinje Afrika. Tim mar volleyball mabende osebedo kod tuke mathoth e pinje maoko noyudo sir ka ikruok makare nyaka chakre seche machon mana kaka noler kod jagoro mar nok Francis Mutuko.
We are happy because it is for the first time that we are receiving good funding that will help us to prepare a team that has a potential to qualifying for Paris 2024 Olympics. Our 3x3 team has been performing well, and we really wish to thank the government for the support that we have been receiving for the championships that they have been able to attend. They've been to Birmingham Commonwealth Games, and also they have been to World Championship in Romania.
We realize that as a country, a lot of times we put teams together towards the last bit or the last few weeks of the events, and we found that this is not sustainable for our teams. What we've encouraged our federations is to start forming the national teams. Obviously, for different reasons, they'll be changed from time to time, but we're hoping that all the national federations can be able to maintain a national team which can start getting exposure, can start getting training, and can start getting travel to play as many international events as the funds would allow. Scholarships.